Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix alarm sound on iOS 17. So guys, if you are using iPhone and have updated version of iOS 17 and facing issue related alarm sounds, then I'll help you how to fix this. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all, you need to go back and guys open your settings and guys click on sound and haptics. And guys, here you will find the option that is reminder alerts. So guys, simply you need to click on this, and guys, first of all you need to make sure that any tone is selected on your reminder alerts. So guys, when you select any tone from here, then guys that tone will select on your alarm sound. So guys, if you selected none, then guys you need to select any sound. So guys, after doing this, your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. So guys, maybe this problem is occurred due to old version. So guys, when you update your iPhone to latest version, then guys your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.